I determined to investigate the subject more fully.
Thy word is a lamp unto my feet, and a light unto my path.
Joseph, you worry too much. He's trying to do what's right, Alvin. I know.
During this time of great excitement, my mind was called up to serious reflection and great uneasiness. Still, I kept myself aloof from all these parties, though I attended their meetings as often as occasion would permit.
Ask, and it shall be given you. Seek, and ye shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened unto you. For everyone that asketh receiveth, and he that seeketh findeth.
It's time to go, boys. What?
To believe that God answers prayers is to believe that he does not govern, but is governed by the prayers of men. I contend that God has given unto each and every one of us the ability to think, to reason for ourselves.
In the midst of this war of words and opinions, I often said to myself, what is to be done? Who of all these parties are right? And how shall I know it?
So what do you think?
Well, Father says the only real answers come from God. The good Lord answers in his own way, Joseph, and in his own time. But he does answer.
If ye then know how to give good gifts unto your children, how much more shall your Father which is in heaven give good things to them that ask him? If any of you lack wisdom, let him ask of God, that giveth to all men liberally, and upbraideth not, and it shall be given him. But let him ask in faith.
Never did any passage of Scripture come with more power to the heart of man than this did at this time to mine. It seemed to enter with great force into every feeling of my heart. I reflected on it again and again, knowing that if any person needed wisdom from God, I did. For how to act I did not know.
The Almighty is telling us that our eternal salvation...
The teachers of religion understood the same passage of Scripture so differently as to destroy all confidence in settling the question by an appeal to the Bible.
I often found the Scriptures.
At length, I came to the conclusion that I must either remain in darkness and confusion, or else I must do as James directs. That is, ask of God.